Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So this is my life this summer in the countryside. So here I am trying to make orange cake for the first time ever in my life. So let's just hope this goes well. It looks about right, but let's see how it turns out after it got baked. Not too bad. This is the beautiful road with gorgeous views. So we just went to the farm market and got some produce, some eggs, we've got some blueberries. These are very delicious. Apricots are in season, I guess, so we got some. Sweet and juicy. What's next? Yes, some cucumbers. Nice cool cucumbers to keep you nice and cool in the summer. And my favorite broccoli. There we have some sweet potatoes. Looks very good, right? These are all from the farm market. So I've already made dinner. There's some salmon over there, so just chopping some cucumbers. Does anyone else chop their cucumbers like this? I don't know, but this is just the way I do it. Now it's time for some dessert. And enjoying the drive. This is a park in Masonic Village. It's very beautiful. It's actually a garden, not a park. Yeah. Watch the ducks. They're so cute. Alright, that's all for today. See you in the next video.